You know what I'm saying? Get ready for the playoffs. Against Brian Adams, you know what I'm saying? Sunday. We are at work. Yeah, as you can see, first round playoff game, we at William Hutchins Stadium, you know what I'm saying? Coach Rod, Coach Joe, Coach Cosby, everybody else, you know what I'm saying? Coach King, Coach Thomas, you know what I'm saying? New addition to the Kimball family. Carter alumni over at the K. You know what I'm saying? The love goes a long way. Great game today. You know what I'm talking about? Senior wide receiver McBay. Trey Thibodeau, quarterback. Money. Yeah, man. Pre-game, we getting warmed up and getting ready for the slaughter. That's a boogie over there, man. Linebacker. Junior. They getting ready, baby. They getting ready. We in the trenches. That's that boy high. We focus on this side. Kimball Elite. Prince Davis Moorhead. Fabian Smith. Oh, Kurt Burns. Kimball Elite. You know what I'm saying? We out here getting it in, man. What we do? Doing what we do, man. Yeah, man. See? They're rolling.